Morning wood, also known as nocturnal penile tumescence, is more than just a sign of male vitality. It's a natural indicator of overall health and proper blood circulation. For men over 40 or 50, regular morning erections often reflect balanced hormones, good cardiovascular function, and healthy nerve activity. When it starts to disappear, it could be your body's way of signaling reduced testosterone levels, poor blood flow, or even early signs of underlying health issues like diabetes, stress, or heart disease. In this video, Dr. Anglina Dcosta, a trusted urologist, I will explain why morning wood is an important marker for men's wellness and how simple lifestyle changes can help bring it back naturally. You'll learn how sleep quality, diet, hydration, and natural oils can support circulation and hormone health, all without risky pills or harmful supplements. If you've noticed a decline in your morning energy or performance, this video is for you. Watch till the end to discover safe, natural ways to restore your confidence and improve your vitality at any age. But before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our trusted health advice made especially for seniors and caregivers. Let's get started. Let's start with the science of male blood flow and testosterone. Blood flow and testosterone are the two key pillars of male health and performance. Proper blood circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach every part of the body, including the reproductive system. When blood vessels are flexible and healthy, men experience stronger energy, better stamina, and improved confidence. However, as men age, poor diet, stress, and lack of exercise can lead to restricted blood flow, one of the most common causes of declining male vitality. Testosterone, the primary male hormone, plays a vital role in muscle growth, mood, and sexual health. Low testosterone levels can lead to fatigue, reduced motivation, and weaker morning erections. But the good news is, both blood flow and testosterone can be naturally supported through simple lifestyle changes. In this video, Dr. Anglina Dcosta, I will explain how your heart, hormones, and circulation work together to maintain male performance. I also shares natural ways to boost blood flow, support testosterone levels, and restore your inner strength safely and effectively. Let's understand what causes morning vitality to fade. Many men notice that, as they grow older, their morning vitality, that natural energy, and confidence upon waking, slowly begins to fade. In this video, I will explain the real reasons behind this decline and what can be done to restore it naturally. Morning vitality depends on healthy blood flow, balanced hormones, quality sleep, and a strong heart. As men reach their 40s and 50s, several factors start to interfere with these systems. Poor circulation, caused by a sedentary lifestyle, high cholesterol, or stress can reduce oxygen flow to vital areas of the body. At the same time, testosterone levels gradually drop, affecting energy, mood, and confidence. Unhealthy eating habits, late-night routines, lack of exercise, and insufficient sleep also make it harder for the body to recover overnight. Over time, this leads to fatigue, lower drive, and weaker morning performance. The good news is that these issues can be improved naturally. In this video I will also share safe, practical tips to enhance blood circulation, support hormone balance, and rebuild energy without any pills or harmful chemicals. This video is your guide to understanding what's really happening inside your body and how small daily changes can bring back your morning strength, stamina, and vitality at any age. Now let's move on to our main topic, the bedtime oil that supports circulation. As men age, their blood circulation, energy, and overall vitality begin to slow down, but nature provides powerful remedies to bring them back. In this video, I will reveal the right bedtime oil that naturally supports blood flow, heart health, and hormonal balance for men over 40. The best oil to take before bed is pumpkin seed oil. This natural oil is rich in zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants that strengthen blood vessels, support prostate health, and promote healthy testosterone levels. Taking 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seed oil before bed can help relax the body, improve circulation overnight, and restore morning energy naturally. For added variety, black seed oil and extra virgin olive oil are also excellent choices. Black seed oil helps reduce inflammation and supports heart function, while olive oil improves vascular flexibility and boosts antioxidant protection. These oils work gently as you sleep. No chemicals, no side effects, just pure natural nourishment. I will explain how this small nighttime habit, combined with proper hydration, a healthy diet, and regular exercise, can make a major difference in how you feel each morning. Start adding this oil to your bedtime routine to improve energy, blood flow, and confidence naturally. Now let's understand how to take the oil correctly for higher benefits. Taking the right oil before bed can make a real difference, but using it correctly is what brings the best results. I will explain the proper way to take natural oils, like pumpkin seed oil, olive oil, or black seed oil, to support healthy blood flow, heart function, and male vitality. The ideal time to take the oil is 30 minutes before bedtime, when your body begins to relax and prepare for rest. Take 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters directly, or mix it with a glass of warm milk or water for easier digestion. This helps the nutrients absorb better while promoting deeper, more restorative sleep. I advise all my viewers avoiding heavy meals, alcohol, or sugar right before bed, as these can block the oil's benefits. With regular use and consistency, you may notice improved energy, smoother circulation, and better morning vitality within a few weeks. This bedtime habit is simple, safe, and completely natural. No side effects, no risky pills, just pure nourishment to restore your confidence and inner strength. Bonus tips for all my viewers. Good health isn't built overnight, it's the result of small, consistent habits that support your body from the inside out. In this video, as per my experience as a urologist, I will share my most effective and natural tips for improving male wellness, vitality, and confidence at any age. I will explain that men over 40 should focus on 3 main pillars: circulation, hormones, and lifestyle. Regular physical activity, even a 20-minute walk daily, helps keep blood flow strong and supports a healthy heart. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil or pumpkin seeds nourishes the body and balances hormones naturally. I also emphasize the importance of quality sleep, proper hydration, and stress control. Reducing alcohol, quitting smoking, and maintaining a healthy weight can significantly improve energy and performance. Meditation or deep breathing before bed helps calm the mind and boosts hormonal recovery overnight. These small changes can make a big difference in how you feel each day, stronger, more confident, and full of life. So there you have it, viewers. As I come to the end of this video, Dr. Anglina Dcosta reminds every man watching this video that it's never too late to take control of your health, confidence, and vitality. Aging is a natural process, but losing your strength or energy doesn't have to be. With the right care, consistency, and natural habits, you can continue to feel strong, active, and full of life at any age. The bedtime oil discussed today is not a quick fix, it's a daily habit that nourishes your body, supports circulation, and helps restore hormonal balance over time. When combined with proper nutrition, good sleep, exercise, and a positive mindset, it can make a powerful difference in your overall well-being. I also encourage men to listen to their bodies, make healthier choices, and never ignore early signs of fatigue or weakness. Taking care of yourself isn't just about looking good, it's about living fully and confidently every single day. Remember, small steps create big changes. Stay consistent, stay patient, and your body will reward you with strength, clarity, and renewed energy. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips, designed especially for seniors who want to stay healthy, strong, and independent. May you continue to walk with strength, energy, and joy. Until next time, take care of yourself, you deserve